In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Pokemon Go communication error. So if you are getting this error on your Pokemon Go game app, communication error, temporarily unable to log in as another device is currently using Pokemon Home, then there are quite a number of steps you need to take to fix this issue. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to fix this issue, you need to ensure that first you are not logged to any other device rather than the current one that you are logged into. So if two devices are logged in using the same account, this most likely will cause this issue. But if this is not the case for your case, then you need to troubleshoot this app, and you can do so by going to the app info page. And to do this, just go to settings, and then down here look for apps, and under it look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. From the list, you want to search for your app by name, and if I tap on it, you can see I'm on the app info page. So here you want first to stop any background activities that might be running on this app, and this is most likely why you are experiencing this issue. To do that, go to force stop and then OK, and then head to clear data, and here clear cache and OK. Then again go to clear data and OK. Once this is done, now you will need to restart your smartphone. Once you have restarted your smartphone, now go to your phone and open your Pokemon Go game app, and now you should be able to log into your account and play without any issue. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix any issue with your Pokemon Go game app and have everything sorted. But should this not work, then you need to check if we have any update of your game app from Google Play Store or App Store, then update it to the latest version. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue on Pokemon Go game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.